What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a hot minute since I've made a new video. I got a new job, had to move 4 hours away, and it's taken me a little bit of time to get things up and running again, but here we are, back at it again, making some content for you. And today, we have a very exciting video. As most of you know, I create a lot of tutorial videos for the Trezor with Axie Infinity and eventually for other games. But today, we have a new sponsor stepping into the ring, a new hardware wallet checking us out, and that company is called SecuX. It's going to be a hot video. Don't you miss it. Be right back. Does it feel good to be back? I missed y'all. I hope you missed me. Well, you probably didn't miss me. You probably didn't even know I was gone. But hey, it doesn't matter. My wife loves me, my cat loves me, and that's all that matters. Ladies and gents, we now have a green screen. I hope you like it. Hopefully in the future, we will have a animated background for your entertainment. But for right now, I think it looks pretty clean, looks pretty sleek. We're probably gonna keep it for a little while. You know, I think it changes things up a little bit. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. But I digress. Today's video, SecuX. This, guys, is going to be a mini-series, a 3-part mini-series. The first part in this series is going to be a complete unboxing and first impression of this bad boy and how it compared to when I opened up my first Trezor. Second video in this series is going to be a complete tutorial on how to set this bad boy up and how to use it with, yes, a mobile application on your phone. That'll be pretty awesome to dive into that and see how that works. The third video in this series will be a complete comparison of this bad boy to the Trezor hardware wallet. As most of you know, I use this bad boy for Axie Infinity and other NFT games. Does this guy work with NFT games, Axie Infinity being the biggest one? I've read some conflicting reports, so I'm not 100% sure, but we will find out together. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, that way you're notified next time I post a new video. And with that all said, let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so we got the trusty scissors, we got the box. Let's see what's in this bad boy. Now, I should probably take these glasses off because I'm probably going to cut myself or something like that. But we're going to try and keep the glasses on for as long as I can because I haven't worn them in a long time. So I apologize. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. First thing we're going to notice is that there is a SecuX label there, a security label. If that is broken, you know that the box has been opened, and if that is the case, then obviously you do not want to use this. This was sent to me by SecuX. If you are going to purchase one of these guys, do not purchase off a third-party seller. Purchase directly from SecuX themselves. That's the #1 rule when purchasing a hardware wallet. Some things on the back here. It says, featuring the world's most secure, easy to use hardware wallet, SecuX V20 puts you in charge of your digital assets with innovative technology. All right, well, they speak a big game. We'll see if they can hold up to what we are trying to do with it, and that is NFT gaming. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. This is the V20 option, which is the most expensive option they are offering at the moment. It retails for $139.99. Most of you know the Trezor retails for over $200, so pretty good deal if this guy fits the bill. All right, so we got the outer shell off. Let's see, how do we get you open, buddy? How do we get you open? Oh, here we go. All right, there we go. I probably should take the glasses off. Yeah, probably should. Ooh, boy, well, that is pretty. I will say, videos and images don't do it justice. It really, really doesn't. Let's take him out. Let's take him out. Okay. It's got some weight to it. I like that. I do like the weight. Definitely has a little more weight when compared to the Trezor. So I can already tell that my first impression of it regarding its manufacturing quality is definitely better than when I first opened up the Trezor, because as most of you know, the Trezor is pretty, you know, feels flimsy, feels very cheap, but you know, the SecuX, yeah, feels pretty good. I don't think I'd want to do that with my Trezor, but so far so good. So far so good, guys. It's got a nice little label here on the bottom here where the USB port would be. So that is taken off. Obviously another security feature there. So that is great to see. All right, let's see what else we got in the box here. Okay, let's see. All right, we got a nice little pouch. Here. Right, says SecuX on it. That's pretty neat. I don't know if you can see that on it, but you kind of see it. SecuX. All right, USB cable, USB-C. That's good. So it is powered by USB-C to charge it, but it is also Bluetooth enabled. So you don't have to have this completely connected to your computer. You can have this just sitting on your desk to make transactions with it. Now that, my friends, is awesome. So we will see how that works when we get it all hooked up and set up. I'm excited for that feature. I really am. Let's see. Do we have anything else in the box? Oh, just the manuals. Manuals, warranty guide, all that good stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Passphrases. They got a little booklet in here for you to write your passphrases and all your information down. So, that's always handy, although I usually don't use them. I usually write it on a different type of paper and store it a different way. But instruction guide here. So that'll be pretty useful when we're setting everything up. But that's about it. That's all that's in the box. That's all she wrote, ladies and gentlemen. That's all she wrote. Now, I said that this video was just going to be a complete unboxing of the SecuX, my first impression of this bad boy. I've already said that in terms of the weight, the style, obviously you can tell that it is much bigger than the Trezor, right? Again, it feels much heavier, much better quality of manufacturing. I feel like if I drop this on anything, it's gonna break. So I treat this bad boy like a baby, right? But this guy, I don't know. I could probably drop it, on the wooden floor and it'd probably be okay, honestly. So I like that. First impression, great on that. I like the screen. Nice, huge screen. This is touch screen. If you're looking at the Trezor screen compared to the SecuX screen, well, I think we can tell who has the bigger screen, right? So that is a great feature of the bad boy already. And then obviously with the Trezor Model 1, this isn't even touchscreen. This is just boop, 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 hit some buttons. We don't like that. We like nice big screen, nice touch screen, nice and clean. There is no protective filament on it, which usually there is on these things. So that's kind of, not a big deal. But usually there's that, that little layer that you kind of pull off that everyone likes. It's like a I don't know, some kind of computer thing, I guess. People like pulling off that filament. There isn't any on this. I thought there would be. But, I'm worried about maybe scratches or maybe fingerprints. Maybe you get some kind of fingerprint protection type thing that could go on it. That'd be kind of cool if that is a thing. I don't know. I haven't looked that up yet. So, first impressions, I'm pleased. I like the way this is built. I love the quality of it. I love the big screen. The circle isn't bad. There are some people who don't like the circle design of this hardware wallet, but I'm not walking around with my hardware wallet in my pocket. I don't know who does that, right? This guy, he's just gonna sit right on my table. It looks really sleek and clean on my table. That's all this is gonna do. It's not gonna go in my pocket. I'm not gonna travel with it. Very unlikely. I guess I might, but I like the design. I do. Some people don't. And that's it. Straight to the point. We're gonna keep this mini-series very short, no longer than 10-minute videos for this series. I hope you tune in for the next 2 videos that I'll be releasing in the coming weeks. We will be doing a complete tutorial guide on how to set this bad boy up and a complete pros and cons comparison of the SecuX to the Trezor hardware wallet. I hope you guys tune back in. As always, hit that little subscribe button, the notification bell, so you're notified when I post a new video. I do stream over on Twitch. Check out my socials on Twitter, Langley, the one and only. I will talk with you guys later. Thank you so much for tuning in for this video, and I can't wait till the next one. As always, have a great morning, a great day, a great night. God bless, be awesome, and we will see you next time. Peace.